We're out here at Windmark Beach, where this is a lifestyle community with a series of different kinds of neighborhoods that are all woven together with one common trail that I'll tell you about at the end. But the first neighborhood is a custom neighborhood. It's the original Windmark neighborhood that they started with. It's gated. It has a gorgeous bayfront pool. It has docks, so you can come, go to the marina, pick the family up in their boat. You can fish off the end of it, crab off the end of it, and it's for all the folks that live in Windmark Beach Phase 1. Then you cross the street, and then you're in a mix of custom homes, some of the D.R. Horton homes that they built in the community, and all of that is woven together with these beautiful walkways, gorgeous wooden beach walks right to the beach right here. And the beach changes all the way down, so whatever your flavor is of the beach, you've got it here. Not only can you beach here, but you can walk this beach all the way to Mexico Beach. So you have miles and miles and miles that you can enjoy. Beautiful white sandy beaches and clear water that moves from the bay to the Gulf of Mexico all in one fell swoop. That all these trails lead to a main town center. What's in the town center? A beautiful spot for you kids to be able to walk or ride their bike, get an ice cream in the afternoon and a slice of pizza, or the whole family can jump in the golf cart at the end of the day and go to the mill and play cornhole, listen to the live music, enjoy a drink with all their friends and neighbors. And after that, you can even enjoy dinner at the waterfront restaurants that they have there. So this is a lifestyle community of lots of fun and excitement. They have a huge pool in the town center that everybody can enjoy, or you can live the quiet life. Right on the north end of the whole community is another D.R. Horton community with a beautiful pool and amenity package, and it's all open for all of you. I said wait to the end, and guess what's at the end? A 3-mile trail that travels the entire bayfront with these beautiful sand fences and shelled walkways and boardwalks and places to rinse your feet off and take a shower and go to the beach. You can golf cart the whole thing. So people enjoy it with their golf cart, they walk it every morning, they might jog in the afternoon, ride their bikes down the trail. I mean, everyone enjoys the 3-mile trail that connects all the neighborhoods together. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, let us know. Let's live the beach life together. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.